BuildTools is an end-to-end project management software designed for custom builders and remodelers. Built by builders for builders, it will help you organize the chaos of construction and keep all of your project information from budgeting, scheduling, communication, documents in sync, up to date, and all in one place. The design itself is to simplify the construction process and manage every aspect of your business so you can now have more control, more time, and minimize those costly mistakes and overruns. No more surprises or delays. With BuildTools' simplistic approach and design, it promotes you to become a better builder and address those challenges you face day in and day out. Let's start things off with our easy-to-understand project dashboard. You'll find yourself taking a more proactive approach to your projects, and you'll begin to catch items potentially falling through the cracks and start to address these head-on as they become overdue and creating minor setbacks and project delays. The project dashboard was built to provide you and your team with a high-level overview against each one of your projects. The dashboard summarizes any project-specific alerts, current contract values, progress against your schedules, and even estimated completion dates. The dashboard will also provide further insight and visibility on items such as change orders, purchase orders, task management, draw requests, and even client selections and daily logs. We've really put ourselves in your shoes to focus our attention towards what you and your team may be experiencing with, struggling with, and or falling behind on with your current projects. Budgeting is truly the most valuable component of our system, as it will provide you with complete control and visibility to your project's financials. Starting with the most important item, your cost codes and budget categories. These really serve as the backbone of the software, as they not only hold a specific cost, you'll have the ability to quickly see a real-time breakdown on every specific cost code and what's truly working towards these budgets. You'll find by leveraging a proper job costing structure, you'll find more control over your purchase orders, change orders, bid packages, invoices, selections, and specifications all in one convenient location. You'll notice here the value of seeing every piece of information tied to a specific budget code. With the information all available on one screen, this creates a simplistic approach to your workflow by eliminating the amount of clicks you're making to see everything currently working together. Starting from the top here, we can now scroll down to see complete item history, estimates, markups on top of those budget line items, and even related items such as your bid packages, pending change orders, purchase orders, all the way down to your selections and specifications. BuildTools is configurable to the true cost plus budgeting structure or even the fixed bid and blended rate. BuildTools also offers a seamless integration with QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and Xero accounting, eliminating that fear of a duplicate entry in two separate systems and keeping both the bookkeeper and the project managers up to date and all in one spot. BuildTools comes equipped with full Gantt chart scheduling functionality, allowing you and your team real-time access to project schedules from the job site or back in the office. Schedules can now be created from scratch, loaded from templates, or imported from Excel and Microsoft project formats. By utilizing the critical path functionality, you can now see how your projects are progressing from phase to phase and milestone to milestone, allowing you to produce those real-time and up-to-date job scheduling forecasts. We understand the time constraints that are involved when it comes to sending out schedule updates and notifications. With our publish feature, let's forget about those text messages going out to the trades the night before and create some efficiency behind the chaos. If we take a closer look, you'll notice the ability to update your subcontractors, clients, and colleagues with one simple schedule adjustment. Each user group can receive their own specific and unique messaging, and as an added bonus, your trades will receive their updates via email and are not required to log in. Every individual that's a part of the project can now be notified when one schedule has been changed. For those that prefer the standard calendar view, we have that option as well. The calendar view can be filtered down by month, week, or day, and even down to a specific user in the system. In addition to just viewing the scheduling phases, you also have access to additional filters on the left-hand side of the screen. From bid package and change order due dates, you can now view any of the items in BuildTools that we can apply a due date towards on one calendar grid. And for those that would like a more granular view of their schedules and to see how they're working against the initial version, the baseline tool breaks down each phase and displays where we've actually added or removed days to the project. This will provide you with additional insight and understanding as to why you're ahead or behind, ultimately giving you that visibility you've been looking for. With communication, BuildTools comes equipped with a specific email inbox for each one of your projects. allowing you to continue with your standard form of email communication, but now start providing visibility to those that need it most. No more searching for emails on who said what. If it's information that you and your team need to be aware of, you can now start sending your emails straight out of BuildTools or sending them into the project when the information becomes relevant. Communication is broken down on two different levels: related messages and internal notes. Related messages will allow for you to start your communication to subs, vendors, and any third-party resource while the information is fresh in your head. Not only is this feature simplistic in design, but it promotes for you to gain a better grip on organizing information to any specific item within the system. Questions on schedules, tasks, or even change order approvals, communication can now be uniquely stored to its related phase of the job. In this case, what we can see is a related message assigned to a specific task of a drywall punch list. If we ever need to go into a bit further depth on what was communicated back and forth, we can now find that in one spot. The other piece of communication comes from our internal notes. If we scroll down just a few segments here, we can now see all of the communication going back and forth to any of our team members. This will provide you with an on-the-fly concept of tagging your team members to ask any relevant questions. If your team is out in the field or back in the office, they'll receive an email notification along with user-specific alerts as they log back into BuildTools. BuildTools also provides you with an interactive client dashboard, allowing you to enhance the client experience as they're working with you throughout their projects. You can now start to eliminate those weekly job site walkthroughs or daily phone calls providing status updates. The client now has the ability to log in and reference any specific project alerts requesting their attention, or for just a quick update on the overall health and status of their project. The software is also rule and permission based, giving you full control of what the clients can and cannot see as they're logging into the system. Just like our solution, our pricing works well for builders and remodelers. You get unlimited projects, training and support, and unlimited client and subcontractor access. You only pay for the number of employee users logging into the system. To learn more about BuildTools, schedule a one-on-one demo with our team to see how we can help you organize the chaos, save costs, and start managing your projects more efficiently.